What if you can turn your computer into a money-making tool, whether you are gaming, watching YouTube videos on your computer, or even sleeping? The best part is that it is free, it doesn't require your effort or even special knowledge about blockchain. Now, there are several ways that you can make money from cryptocurrencies. You can trade for the short term, invest for the long term, stake your cryptocurrency. This is like locking your money up in the bank account to earn a fixed deposit return, but you are doing so with cryptocurrencies. Or you can do so by mining. Now, if you want to be a trader or an investor, you may need to have a large amount of capital and be able to have the knowledge to trade, read charts in order to make money. But with mining, you don't need to have capital upfront. And I'm going to teach you how to mine crypto in this video today in under 10 minutes. If you ever wondered how new Bitcoin is actually created, it is through the mining process, which involves using computing power to solve complex mathematical problems on the blockchain network. And this helps to keep the blockchain network secure for transactions. So by contributing your computing power, you get to earn cryptocurrencies as a reward. And you can then sell the cryptocurrencies later on at a higher price to make a profit. So I used to see pictures of people owning and running large Bitcoin farms whereby they need a large space to put all this fancy looking equipment. So they need to spend a lot of money to buy those machines in order to mine crypto. But then recently I discovered Tari Universe, which is a platform that offers accessible crypto mining for everyone. All you need is just a regular computer and internet connection. You don't need specialized equipment or a large space. So I went to research more about the Tari platform. It is a layer 1 blockchain protocol based on a proof of work concept, which means that new tokens are created from the mining process. And Tari tokens are the currency used on the Tari network. Its founder was the ex-developer of Monero, which is a blockchain focused on privacy. And its development team is pretty much focused on accessibility and transparency, which is a good thing. Now, in terms of investors, Tari is backed by several blockchain venture capital firms, including Pantera Capital, Multicoin Capital, and Blockchain Capital. So these are pretty big blockchain investors. Now, what I like about Tari is that it is so easy to get started as a beginner. No custom hardware required, no technical knowledge needed, no time and effort, just 2 to 3 clicks and you can start mining crypto, and it's totally free. No upfront capital needed. Now, compared to other crypto projects, most of it will especially require you to deposit some funds, and it may be a scam because you don't know if you will get your money back. But with Tari, you don't need to deposit money or buy anything. You just need to download the app, run it, and start mining cryptocurrency. And you get reward with Tari tokens, which will have value and you can sell it off later. It's easy to get started. Just visit the official Tari website, download the file, and then save it to your computer. It works on either Windows or Mac. Now, once the download is complete, run the installation file and follow all the instructions. Then run the application to mine the testnet Tari and earn gems for each block that you contribute to mining. Now, at first, I was a bit concerned that mining will drain my computer and consume a lot of energy, but Tari lets you choose different mining modes depending on your energy consumption preferences. With the eco mode, you can mine for longer periods at lower intensity with less power usage. So this is ideal for background mining if you're using your computer for other activities or you want to prevent your laptop from overheating. Then there is the ludicrous mode, which is the high performance mode. It consumes more power, but it takes you faster time to mine and earn the gems. You can pause anytime you want, and when you continue again, mining will pick off where you left it. So apart from earning from mining alone, you can also get an additional income stream by referring the Tari platform to your friends and family. All you need to do is sign up for an account on the Tari website and then share your referral link with other people. And whenever the people you invite join the Tari platform and start mining the cryptocurrency, or they join the quest, then you can also get rewarded with gems, which can be converted into Tari tokens, which you can potentially sell off in the future and potentially make some extra money. If this sounds interesting to you, then click on the link in my description section below to get started. Now, if you think that it is too late, you miss Bitcoin, it is too expensive now, or it is too complicated for you to understand, don't worry, there is still Tari. What could be the worst case scenario is that you spend some of your computer's idle time mining. But the best case scenario could be that you are the early group of participants behind a project that is backed by a credible team of developers and also investors. So what are you waiting for? Get started mining and invite your friends, and let's make money in crypto together. And if you want to learn more about financial markets, do subscribe to my YouTube channel below and let me know your thoughts and comments.